it's Anaya, your lead beauty advisor from the Brooklyn location, and today we're going to be talking all about our new drawstring ponytails. Let's get right into it. YUMMY Extensions Drawstring Ponytails are an instant confidence booster. They are easy to install, comfortable, and voluminous. Our ponytails are drawstring, so that makes them very adjustable, and the combs on the inside give you extra security and placement. This is 100% raw hair, so it can be heat styled and colored to your liking. These ponytails are available in 2 textures, raw, Burma curly, as well as our raw loud blowout. Now let's get into the raw Burma curly. Our raw Burma curly is a YUMMY girl favorite. It mimics a 3B to 3C curl pattern, and it blends seamlessly with relaxed or natural hair. 12 inches is perfect to look cute while you're working out at the gym. 20 is perfect for lunch with the girls, and 24 is perfect for a date night or a night out on the town. You're gonna love it. Now let's talk about our other texture with our beauty advisor, Leah.
Get ready to switch up your look. The loud blowout is one of our favorite textures here at YUMMY, so you know we had to make it into a ponytail. Its medium to low luster makes it perfect to blend with natural or relaxed hair. We have 12, 20, and 24 inches available. And the versatility is endless with these ponytails. Whether it's brunch with the girls, prom night, or you just want to get your hair out your face, you can't go wrong. Did I mention how easy it is to install? All you have to do is pull the drawstring, then secure it. You can get your ponytail in the Brooklyn location, the Dallas location, or our website. Thanks for watching.